Hi, today we're going to teach you how to change the colors on the Shopify Dawn theme. Before we start, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now let's begin. On your Shopify homepage, click here on the left side of the screen, Online Store. And after clicking that, go to Themes, and after going to Themes, click on Customize. We're currently here in the Dawn theme. Go to the left side of the screen and click on Theme Settings. Go to Colors, and the Dawn theme is defaulted as Scheme 1. Now we have multiple options here, such as background, background radiant, tag, solid, and so on. And this is simply how we can change the colors. For demonstration purposes, we're going to color this as follows. The text, let's say it's going to be color black. No, let's change it to blue instead. And just for demonstration purposes, we're going to change it to different colors. You can experiment with whatever color or any customization you want, and that's simply it. That's how you change colors in the Dawn theme on Shopify. I hope this video helped, and thank you for watching.